Welcome, fitness enthusiasts, to this empowering journey towards building lean muscle mass. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer, let's dive in. Tip 1. Prioritize protein intake. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle development. Ensure you consume an adequate amount of high-quality protein sources, such as chicken, turkey, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based options like quinoa and tofu. Proteins provide the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth, making it a fundamental part of any muscle-building diet. Tip 2. Embrace a balanced diet. A well-rounded diet with complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and an array of fruits and vegetables is vital. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for intense workouts, while healthy fats support hormone production, crucial for muscle growth. Fruits and vegetables supply essential vitamins and minerals that aid in recovery and overall well-being. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining optimal muscle function and overall health. During workouts, you lose water through sweat, so it's crucial to stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle by your side throughout the day and drink enough water before, during, and after exercise to prevent dehydration. Tip 4. Progressive overload training. To stimulate muscle growth, challenge your muscles progressively. This can be achieved by increasing the resistance, adding more repetitions, or altering the exercise's tempo. Gradually pushing your muscles beyond their comfort zone encourages them to adapt and grow stronger over time. Tip 5. Incorporate compound exercises. Compound movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them highly effective for building lean muscle mass. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses should be staples in your workout routine as they target several muscles at once, maximizing your workout efficiency. Tip 6. Implement isolation exercises. While compound movements are fantastic, don't neglect isolation exercises. These exercises focus on specific muscle groups and can help address any muscle imbalances. Incorporate isolation exercises such as bicep curls, tricep extensions, and calf raises to complement your compound movements. Tip 7. Balance work and rest. In the pursuit of building lean muscle mass, rest is just as crucial as exercise. Allow your muscles ample time to recover and grow by spacing out your workouts and incorporating rest days. Adequate rest ensures that your muscles can repair themselves, reducing the risk of overtraining and injury. Tip 8. Optimize sleep. Quality sleep is a cornerstone of muscle development. During deep sleep stages, the body releases growth hormones that aid in muscle repair and growth. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to support optimal recovery and hormone regulation. Tip 9. Limit cardiovascular training. While cardiovascular exercises are essential for overall fitness, excessive cardio may hinder muscle growth. Prioritize short, high-intensity sessions or incorporate low-impact options like walking or swimming. This allows you to maintain cardiovascular health without compromising your muscle-building efforts. Tip 10. Monitor caloric intake. To gain lean muscle mass, consume a slight caloric surplus. This means consuming more calories than your body burns in a day. However, avoid excessive surplus, as it can lead to unnecessary fat gain. Be mindful of your daily caloric intake to fuel muscle growth effectively. Tip 11. Warm up and cool down. Never skip warm-up exercises before your strength training routine. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles for the workout, increasing blood flow and flexibility while reducing the risk of injuries. Cooling down with light stretching afterward aids in recovery and flexibility. Tip 12. Mind-muscle connection. During workouts, focus on the muscle you're targeting. Visualize the muscle contracting and engaging with each repetition. This mind-muscle connection enhances muscle activation and ensures that you're working the intended muscle group effectively. Tip 13. Avoid overtraining. It's tempting to push yourself to the limit, but overtraining can lead to burnout and injury. Listen to your body and incorporate active recovery days into your routine. This allows your muscles and central nervous system to recover fully, setting the stage for continued progress. Tip 14. Track progress and set goals. Document your workouts, strength gains, and changes in body composition. Keeping a record of your progress allows you to track your growth and make necessary adjustments to your training program. Set clear and achievable goals to stay motivated and focused on your muscle building journey. Tip 15. Embrace patience and persistence. Building lean muscle mass is not an overnight process. It requires dedication and consistency. Celebrate small victories and stay committed to your fitness goals. With time, dedication, and persistence, you'll witness remarkable transformations in your physique and overall well-being. You've now armed yourself with these invaluable tips for building lean muscle mass. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. Embrace the challenge, push your limits, and revel in the progress you make along the way. Until next time, keep inspiring others and be the best version of yourself. Tip 16. Diversify your workout routine. To continue challenging your muscles and avoiding plateaus, diversify your workout routine regularly. Incorporate new exercises, training methods, or workout styles to keep your muscles guessing and responding to different stimuli. Trying out different forms of resistance training, such as using resistance bands or kettlebells, can add variety and excitement to your workouts while promoting muscle growth from different angles. Tip 17. Focus on eccentric movements. Don't underestimate the power of eccentric movements in building lean muscle mass. Eccentric exercises involve slowly lowering the weight during the negative phase of a lift. Research shows that emphasizing the eccentric portion of an exercise can lead to greater muscle hypertrophy. Control the lowering phase of your lifts, such as the descent in a squat or the lowering of a dumbbell during a bicep curl, to maximize muscle engagement and stimulate growth. Tip 18. Stay consistent with nutrition. Consistency is key not just in your workouts, but also in your nutrition. Avoid extreme diets and focus on maintaining a steady intake of essential nutrients. Missing out on meals or drastically reducing calories can impede muscle building progress. Plan balanced meals that align with your fitness goals and aim to eat at regular intervals to provide a consistent source of nutrients for muscle repair and growth. Tip 19. Monitor your macros. In addition to overall caloric intake, pay attention to your macronutrient distribution. Protein is essential, but the ratio of carbohydrates to fats can vary depending on your individual needs and preferences. Some individuals thrive on higher carbohydrate diets, while others perform better with a higher fat intake. Experiment with different macronutrient ratios to find what works best for your body and goals. Tip 20. Seek professional guidance. If you're new to strength training or want to optimize your muscle building journey, consider seeking guidance from a certified personal trainer or a nutritionist. A professional can design a personalized workout program tailored to your specific needs, goals, and limitations. They can also help you fine-tune your nutrition plan, ensuring that you're on the right track towards building lean muscle mass effectively and safely.